Alright, so this happened yesterday. You can see that crappy steel right there. It broke apart on the backhoe again. That one looks really weak. So it's almost like they're using wrought iron instead of actually steel. This is pretty pathetic. This will be the third time that something's broke on this backhoe in a year. So this is what you get with an LS LB 3100 backhoe from LS. Just another failure. The dipper arm it bent on the other side originally. One of these completely failed down below. I mean, it just broke apart from the weld and everything. So just all types of issues with this. I guess unless you're digging with sand, you will want to go with another brand. So that's basically what you're going to get if you buy an LS.